Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. This is Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Colour Arte Studio Gallery. That's a 14 by 14 inch canvas I have painted twice red with a Sherwin Williams Latex semi-gloss paint. I want to do something, an experiment, a simple experiment hopefully with Prizm Pour Chantilly Lace. And I may do it more than once. I'm not putting a pillow down below or a base layer. I want to make sure I'm going in the right direction. I'm going to centrally locate my cell activator. Tip it and see if it moves at all. Maybe I'll use a straw. More gently. Alright, so that gives me a place to start from. And that's no paint chips allowed. I have a little tiny acetate tool. Well, this one's not so tiny. Maybe I'll grab a tiny one if I can find it. This one's got a sort of flat front. And I expected that to sell and it didn't, but I'm going to find out what's going on. And I'll remember for the next time that I can't do exactly that same thing. And I need a little skewer. And I'm not hating on that, but I'm definitely going to try and do what I did before. And I do have the feeling if I kept blowing on that cell activator that I might get some more cells to come up. And they may come up while I'm working on other things. More Chantilly lace. This might be just Chantilly lace. That's pretty much what I had anticipated, actually. Might want to wipe off my non-swiping areas. I thought about silver and or gold. And I'm definitely thinking about leaving my very abstract looking smears. Because they're kind of cool. Even though I might want a little more. Very contemporary art. Let that go down right over the side. I like the idea of letting the red show through. kind of want something to go up that way, but I'm wondering if I can use some Chantilly lace and just attempt to meld it. It does move a little bit, it's just not moving a whole lot. Wow, that was different. I was not expecting that, to tell you the truth. Here's a little palette knife. It's my next experiment. Kind of like that. I could go over the edge by using my finger and add a little, still a little paint. Probably shouldn't have put the black in the white. But I'm kind of okay with that. I might put some white dots in. That could be kind of cool. I'm thinking right now is a good time to try that. That looks too big. Very sticky. And anything I want on the dry canvas could get cleaned up with a Q-tip. Hoping my head is not blocking everything, and I have a terrible feeling it was. Alright, so I'm either done or I want one more area, and I think I want one more area, and I might be testing my luck. Just going to try a puddle this time. Throw my extra tools in the bucket. Wipe off my tiny little spatula, which is beginning to dry. Now I'm going to try and do the same thing. Actually, I'm going to let that drip down a little bit. I'm still missing the gold. I'm liking the patterns that I've got. Now I'm thinking Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula and removing the paint and using it right in the composition. Kind of liking all of that. I don't think it's done perfectly yet. I kind of want to pull this black down, but maybe I should try and tip it first. Maybe a little more. Chantilly lace. And go back to my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula again. I want to let these areas get close to each other. That's okay, that's not bad. I might blow that in to fill it in. I'm going to use the paintball on the end of my acetate tool. If you need the recipe for these acetate tools, just ask me. Alright, with any luck at all, the person who likes red and white has been talking to me about a commission for a while. Might be interested in this. I guess we'll see. I've got some black and I'm thinking of using it now. Not cell activator, just some medium black. And my skewer. Just in the most minor way. I use a little bit over the edge. There, I don't mind that. I'm pretty sure that I'm almost as done as I need to be. I like using the sharp end of the skewer to put little tiny dots in sometimes. I think that's done. With the possible exception of me wanting to clean up this edge, which would be much better done with a spatula. After all that I was saying about an organic edge, I'm liking it rough. I like that. I could almost put something over here, but I think I like the negative space. Yeah. And the Chantilly lace is going to be shimmery and beautiful. Speaking of shimmery and beautiful, why don't I give that a try? I've got enough black paint to lead that over the edge. And I could fix up my edges afterwards. I probably will. Yeah, I'm going to lead the black down over this edge with my finger, and a little more over here and some on this corner. I'm not even sure which way my favorite way up is, but you could do this with gold, which is something I was thinking of. Where's my... If I can wipe off my skewer in time. There, I don't think that hurt anything. Alright, I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. It's different. Please give me thumbs up when you watch the videos long, or you tell the YouTube algorithm that I'm worth keeping on YouTube. If you look underneath the video and in the description, you'll find my link tree, which has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist. Excuse me, it's not there anymore. It's only my profile now. It's Priscilla Batzell-artist. They took the rest of it away. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Happy 2024. Hopefully it's better than 2023. Thank you for the donations through PayPal and Patreon, and thank you to the members who've kept my channel alive through the end of 2023. I really appreciate you guys, all of you. And know I sell my artwork, and I appreciate it when you buy it. And my email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. And as I may have mentioned, comments are appreciated. You keep my morale boosted. Questions are welcomed. So feel free, and check out my Amazon link on the link tree for my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And know that all the the merchandise that you find on my Amazon link is just the tip of the iceberg. If you shop there, you help me out, and anything you buy starting at my link helps me out eventually. I don't make a lot of money there, but a little bit goes a long way sometimes. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. I said that twice. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Whatever I've forgotten, you'll see in another video. Bye for now. Priscilla out.